Brisket on the Green Mountain Grill by Date Night Doins Barbecue for Two. A nice 15-pound full-packer brisket here needs a little trimming and will be good for the grill.
Okay, I've got this pretty much cleaned up. Remember, when you go to serve this, you're going to have a nice bark on it. It's going to be brown. See how the grain's running? You're not going to be able to really see, at least I never can tell, which way the grain is running. So to remind yourself to cut across the grain, cut a corner off. Just like that. That way you know when you go to serve, you just cut this way, you cross the grain.
For today's cook, we're going to be using our Butcher's Barbecue seasonings and injection and a little Butcher's Grind black pepper. Butcher's Barbecue Brisket Injection adds a whole nother layer of flavor that we really enjoy. Put a nice heavy coat of your Butcher's Barbecue steak and brisket rub, both sides of the meat all the way around, a nice heavy coat. I really enjoy a thick black pepper crust, and this is a Butcher's Grind black pepper that I found that adds a really nice crust. And I use the Butcher's Barbecue grilling oil to help everything adhere there. And do both sides of the meat all the way around, rub it in, get it going. You'll enjoy it later. That's it. That's all we're going to do. We're going to wrap it in plastic, put it in the fridge overnight till we're ready for the grill in the morning. All wrapped up. Going to let the seasonings all get happy overnight, and then we're ready for the grill in the morning. On the grill about an hour now. The whole neighborhood just smells crazy good. Three hours on the grill now and looking good. We're at 165 now, and I like to wrap at that temperature. We're 4 hours on the grill now. Going to wrap it in our butcher's paper and then back onto the grill. Eight hours on the grill with no stall. That's very unusual. We're at 204 degrees. I'm going to let it go till we get around 210. Eight hours on the grill at 250 degrees. Our internal temperature is 210. We're going to pull it off and let it rest. Eight hours on the grill today with no stall. Internal temperature is 210. Our grill temperature was set at 250. Now look at this. Tell me this is not a thing of beauty. Remember where we trimmed the corner to show us the grain? Too easy. Now that looks good right there. nice and tender with a good smoke ring. Look at that. Let's eat.